In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Meta ROI on WhatsApp. We'll move through this together step by step, nice and simple, so you can start using Meta AI inside WhatsApp without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is just a quick way to make sure you land on the official WhatsApp website, which helps you avoid any fake pages. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and press enter. Look for the official result from whatsapp.com. It should clearly show the brand name and the correct domain. Click that result to continue. Once you're on the official WhatsApp site, sign in to your account. If you're using WhatsApp Web, you'll be prompted to connect your phone by scanning a QR code from the WhatsApp app on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions. It only takes a moment. Make sure your phone has an active internet connection and, if possible, that your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version to ensure everything syncs properly. After you're logged in on the web, take a look at the left side of the screen where your chats and tools are located. This is where the Meta AI option appears when it's available to you. You're looking for a Meta AI icon or a dedicated entry in the chat list. It may resemble a special badge or clearly say Meta AI. When you see it, click it to open a conversation with Meta AI. If you don't see the icon yet, don't worry. Meta AI is rolling out gradually, and availability can depend on your region and app version. Try refreshing the page, updating the WhatsApp app on your phone, or checking back later. Clearing your browser cache or signing out and back in can also help surface new features once they're enabled for your account. When Meta AI appears, you can start using it right away. Ask questions to get quick answers or explanations. Generate images by describing what you want to see in clear detail. Get information summaries to condense longer texts or topics into something easier to digest. And create stories or captions by sharing your tone and a few key points you want included. The clearer your prompt, the better the results. If something isn't quite right, refine your message and try again. That's it. You've learned how to access Meta AI on WhatsApp through the official site. Find the icon on the left side tools and start using its core features. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring what Meta AI can do inside your WhatsApp experience.